Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for tuning in. So I'm so excited. I'm going to be unboxing my second ever Glossybox. It arrived literally as I got home from work today, and I just thought perfect time to film. I'm really excited. Haven't opened it yet, and I literally can't wait to open it, so I thought I'd film now. So here it is. The box is really pretty. It's like a light pink. My first Glossybox was like the orangey black colour, so this is the original sort of packaging they usually do. I really love the packaging on Glossybox boxes. I just think it's such high quality for the price you pay each month, and the products are literally amazing. I was so impressed last time that I literally carried on my subscription for this month as well. So let's open it. So you obviously always get your card, which tells you what is in the box and explains what products are in there and what they do and what's in them, that sort of thing, and it also gives you a sneak peek of the box after as well, which is really good because obviously it makes you want to subscribe for the next box. The tissue paper is so cute this month, literally, and I love how they put like a sticker over it so you can't see it and you have to literally undo the sticker to open it. It's just so cute. So obviously the first product in the box is the Huda eyeliner. Now I'm so excited about this. I use the Huda eyeshadow palettes, but I've never owned like a mascara or eyeliner. And basically I think it's double-ended. So let's open it and have a look. So I've opened it. I like how like premium it looks. So you've got like a pencil one side and the liquid the other. Oh wow. So Huda obviously is a I think she originates from the Middle East, so obviously she created makeup so that it suited more her skin tone, and the eyeliner is worth £18, so the box cost me I think £13.50 this month with postage and packaging, so you've basically made your money back just with that product. And it's waterproof and smudge proof and long lasting, so I will be trying that out tomorrow on my day off. So obviously the liquid side's for like a winged liner, and the pencil is along your waterline to create that really sort of like extra drama on your eye area. So the second product in the box is this really cute little box. I was like, what's that? But it actually is from the Vintage Cosmetic Company, and they are makeup removing cloths. It basically says in the little booklet that they're inspired by the 1950s, and I really wanted to try these ones because apparently you don't need any cleanser or anything. They literally just remove it with water, but they are so cute. So you've got that. You've got two in there, and I think you can use different sides to obviously remove your makeup. I'm probably still going to remove my makeup first before using them because I just don't want them to get like clogged or anything. But these retail at £7.99, but this is just so cute, and again you've made your money back with it because obviously you pay £13.50 and this is half your money back already, so already the box is worth like £25, so it's basically double what I've paid. But it says wake up, makeup and erase. So these are just so cute, and it's not something that I would like probably buy myself. So it's nice to have like a treat every month with different things in the box that I probably wouldn't try. So the third product in the box is a cosmetic setting applying blending brush and a defining wing liner, brow liner and line definer brush. And this is from the company Lash Plash Cosmetics. I've never heard of them, but apparently this retails at £15, so it's £7.50 basically for each brush. And it basically just says founded in the same city as Hollywood, so it's obviously an American brand, but again you've made your money back with these brushes, and again it's not something that I would probably buy, so it's nice to have like a defining wing brush in my makeup brushes, and a setting sort of brush as well. So they are something that I will be trying this week definitely. And yeah, so it just says use the fluffy one to apply and blend and build your eyeshadow. So they are definitely eye brushes. I don't know where they sell them. I've never seen them in Boots or anywhere like that, so I think they might be new, but again it's really nice to try something different in this Glossybox, so I'm really happy with this product. Okay, so the fourth product in the Glossybox is the Liquid Metal Eyeshadow Model Co. And this is really, really nice. I literally did a switch on my hand as well. But it's like a sort of like a rose gold colour, which is really pretty. I love anything like rose gold or pink or golds, that sort of thing. I think they really complement blue eyes. But this retails at £15 again, so it's like literally amazing. So the brushes were 15, so that's £30. And then the Huda eyeliner is 18, so that's 48 plus your cloths. So you're already talking £53 just from this box. That is actually incredible. And literally you're paying like £13.50 for it. Literally, if you're not signed up, I would give you my discount code to get the 20% off at the end. So you can watch out for that, and it will only cost you like £8 per month. But literally, these just obviously sweep across your eyelids. They're really easy to use. You just do it with the brush, so they're easy for anyone that doesn't like to use like powder or has got maybe dry skin to get that more like luminous effect on the skin. And the last product in the box is this Garden Angel Revitalising Eye Gel Patches. They brighten, hydrate and depuff, so they're good for anyone with dark circles, just if you're feeling tired. Probably be good for me because obviously I've just gone back to work, so tomorrow is going to be my first day off in 5 days. And they contain cucumber, rose extract, green tea and hyaluronic acid. They're ideal for tired or overworked eyes, jet lag or pre-party prep, and they just come like that. So I think there's only one, and they just basically give a description on the back of how to use them, and they are by the brand Potato and Parsley Under Eye Mask. But then it says on here Botany Beauty, so maybe, I don't know if it's obviously a different product you get in a different box, but I think they're the same sort of thing, maybe just a different brand, and that retails at £5.95. So this box is probably worth £60, which is absolutely amazing. I'm so glad I signed up for another box. It's literally like incredible. I think my favourite product out of all of them is probably definitely the Huda eyeliner, just because it's such a premium product, and if I bought this it would be £18. And I do like a really nice black eyeliner if I am going out for the evening. I tend to wear brown like in the day. I haven't got any on today, I've literally just got eyeshadow and mascara. But I just really, really like this, and obviously I was looking for a new black eyeliner anyway, so this just does the trick, and it's cost me £13 when I would have paid £18 for it, and I've got all those other bits as well, so I'm really excited. I will do probably a makeup tutorial using the Huda and the liquid eyeshadow as well, so I'm looking down there because I put all the products down on the floor. But yeah, I'm literally so glad that I got another box. So obviously it's really, really easy to get signed up with Glossybox. Literally just go on the Glossybox website. And also I will say that something really amazing happened to me last month. I took a picture in my eyeshadow palette that I got, and they actually featured me on their Instagram, which was so amazing. I'm really, really grateful for that, which was a really nice surprise. They picked 5 girls wearing that eyeshadow palette, and I got featured as well. What I will do is I will leave my discount code at the bottom of the description box, so anyone that uses it can get 20% off their next box, which will cost them £8 instead of £13, which is actually incredible. So that is in the description box for 20% off as well. I honestly really, really recommend Glossybox. I literally look forward to it every month. It's like a little treat, it's like a little pamper as well, so I'm going to use an eye mask as well tomorrow. And it's just things that you probably wouldn't pick up if you were out and about, because obviously some of them are more pricey than others, but you get it so cheap all in the box together. So obviously thank you so much for watching and tuning in. If you're a new subscriber, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and like button and leave a little comment as well. I really appreciate all the support I've been getting, and let's try and hit those 300 subscribers. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to use the discount code so you can get a Glossybox with 20% off. Thanks guys.